Hey there, and welcome to another episode of Nebo Unboxed. I'm Zach, and today I'm unboxing Nebo's Tac Slyde. It's a 300 lumen LED flashlight and 200 lumen lantern that runs off 3 AAA batteries. The Tac Slyde is Nebo's answer to cheap knockoffs from other brands that have tried to capitalize on the success of Nebo's Slyde lights. It's worth noting that the Slyde Plus and Slyde King are still better options in terms of brightness and features, but the Tac Slyde offers similar functionality in a smaller profile and a lower price point, and it's still brighter than other similar lights on the market in this price range. As you can see on the back of the box, the Tac Slyde has 8 different light modes, 5 for the flashlight and 3 for the lantern. On the side of the box, it tells you how to get into each mode using hard or soft touch technology. And on the opposite side, you can see how the light slides open to reveal the lantern and zoom the flashlight beam. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at the light out of the box. Each light comes with 3 AAA batteries already installed and a lanyard attached to the bottom. The light is made of the same anodized aircraft-grade aluminum we are used to seeing in Nebo flashlights, making it durable and resistant to drops. The button is on the bottom, along with the magnetic ring around it, which can be used to mount the light on any magnetically attractive surface. The light turns on with just the press of a button, and the modes will change every time you turn the light off and back on. But if you leave the light off for more than 8 seconds, the next time you turn it on, it will revert back to the original sequence starting on high mode. The easiest way to click through the modes is to use the soft touch technology. For this, simply turn the light on and then softly press the button down without clicking it in all the way, and you can actually do this quite fast to get to the mode you need. Since the light does cycle through 8 modes, I highly recommend using soft touch technology to switch between the modes. Speaking of the modes, I'm going to go ahead and cycle through them now so you can see what each one looks like. The first mode is high on the flashlight, and in this mode, the light is 300 lumens shining at a distance of 135 meters for 2.5 hours. Next is medium on the flashlight, which is 150 lumens shining at 84 meters for 6 hours. Then there's low mode, which is 30 lumens shining at 40 meters for 22 hours. Next is strobe, which is 300 lumens shining at 135 meters for 6 hours. And finally on the flashlight, we have the S.O.S mode, which is also 300 lumens and shines at 135 meters, but it lasts for 48 hours. Continuing to click through the modes will take you to the lantern. The first lantern mode is high, which is 200 lumens shining at 19 meters for 3 hours. Next is low, which is 40 lumens shining at 13 meters for 8 hours. And last is the flashing red mode, which is 20 lumens shining at 11 meters for 8 hours. After that, it takes us back to high to recycle through the modes. To turn the light off, simply push the button all the way down. At the top of the light, you'll notice it indicates the light has a 12 times zoom. Operating the zoom is as easy as sliding the light open and closed. The LED in the Tac Slyde has a 50,000 hour minimum lifetime, and it comes backed by Nebo's 1-year manufacturer warranty. It's also rated for 1 meter drops and has an IPX4 water resistance rating. To replace the batteries in the Tac Slyde, simply unscrew the button cap at the bottom of the light and slide out the battery cage. Remove the 3 AAA alkaline batteries and replace with new AAA alkaline batteries. Place the cage back into the light with the arrow on the cage pointing towards the light, and then screw the button cap back on. If you're looking for a multi-function light for less than $20, this is the light for you, and it's worth noting that it packs quite a punch for its price. That's going to be it for this episode of Nebo Unboxed. As always, it's been a pleasure. I'm Zach, and we'll see you next time.